Mastering everyday English. Order a cold drink, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're unpacking a common phrase you might hear or use in everyday situations. Order a cold drink. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, understanding these simple phrases can make a big difference in daily conversations. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it confidently. Order a cold drink might seem straightforward, but let's break it down. This phrase combines two key components: order, which means to request something to be made, supplied, or served, and a cold drink, referring to any chilled beverage, like water, soda, or juice. Together, the phrase is commonly used in restaurants, cafes, or any place where you might want to request a refreshing, chilled beverage. You can use order a cold drink in various scenarios, but it's most appropriate in dining or social settings. Imagine you're at a restaurant on a hot day, or perhaps you're at a cafe, looking to enjoy something refreshing. This phrase is your go-to. It's polite, clear, and universally understood in English-speaking environments. It's not just limited to eateries. You could also use this phrase when you're at a friend's place, and they offer you something to drink. English is versatile, and so is this phrase. You can tweak it to fit different contexts or preferences. For instance, "Can I order a cold drink?" adds a polite question format. "I'd like to order a cold drink, please," is a more formal request. "Could you recommend a cold drink?" when you're unsure what to choose. Understanding these variations can help you navigate English-speaking environments more smoothly and confidently. Let's put what we've learned into practice. Imagine you're at your favorite cafe. How would you use this phrase? Try constructing sentences or role-playing scenarios where you'd order a cold drink. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will feel to use this phrase in real-life situations. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, order a cold drink. We hope this video has been enlightening and has added a refreshing twist to your English learning journey. Remember, mastering a language is all about embracing the little details in everyday phrases. So, the next time you find yourself in a cafe or restaurant, don't hesitate to use your newfound phrase. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning, and stay refreshed!